Hey, what's up guys? It's John from the Lucky Needle. I'm just filming a short little video today because I kind of wanted to update you guys on some changes that I'm going to be making to the YouTube channel and the Lucky Needle in general. And I was hoping to get your guys', comments and suggestions on kind of the direction that I'm planning on going with the content moving forward. So basically, a little backstory is we've been really thinking hard on what kind of content and videos I want to be filming for this channel. And after creating a lot of these newer videos that we've done about this shop build, it's kind of a different style than just the generic how-to videos that we've been mostly filming on the Lucky Needle channel. And the positive feedback that you guys have given us about those videos has been really inspiring, and it's kind of gotten us thinking that maybe it's time to make a bit of a transition on the channel. Basically, what I'm thinking that we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting to film more projects that I'm doing, whether or not it's upholstery based or not. And so let me explain why. The reason why I came to this conclusion is because after a lot of years of getting to know you guys and talking with you, and basically I've come to the conclusion that none of us, myself included, upholstery was their first interest in the trades. It all spawned from an interest in another trade, and at some point in time you realized that that upholstery would be another great tool in your tool belt for all of the skills that you know. So I've got to admit to you guys, and this has been kind of making it a little bit difficult for me to come up with new content to film for the channel. And I just, since I started this channel back in, I think it was 2013, so it's quite a while ago, I've kind of been hiding from you guys a lot of the skills and interests that I do have, and really trying to just stay focused solely around upholstery. For example, you guys know me as, John, the guy who does upholstery on YouTube. Well, the fact is that upholstery was not my first trade that I learned. I went to, a lot of you don't know that I went to automotive trade school to learn to be an auto mechanic first, and then as an extra course of study in school, I chose to go to school for hot rod fabrication, suspension fabrication, welding, sheet metal shaping, things like that. And then also upholstery was an additional class that I decided to take because it kind of piqued my interest, and then it turned into a whole profession and all of that. So there's a lot of skills and stuff that I also want to share with you guys, because I feel like upholstery is not just sewing. It's one of those trades where you have to know a lot of different trades. You got to know fabrication skills. You got to know how to work with fiberglass. You got to know how to do some woodworking and metal shaping and welding. That, things like that, they only make you a better trimmer. So I'm going to start being a little more open with you guys and sharing all of the projects that I'm doing, and teaching you guys, some of the skills along the way. And then another thing that I've kind of hidden from the channel, that some of you guys know this about me, but a lot of you probably don't. I've also been a race car mechanic, professional race car mechanic, and pit stop tire changer for the last 8-10 years of my career. And that's afforded me the ability to actually travel pretty much the world and see a lot of really cool things and places. So that's why sometimes when I'm doing that, you guys, there's gaps, and when you start to see content coming out and not. And the reason I feel like I've been hiding that kind of stuff from you guys is because when I first started this channel out a long time ago, I think I felt like sharing all of those skills with you guys would have taken away from my credibility in your eyes as a professional trimmer. And, now I just realized that's not the case. I'm really excited for the new stuff that we're going to film. And, we're going to start filming all different kinds of projects. And I was hoping that I could get your guys' opinions. Write some suggestions down in the comments below this video. Let me know what kind of stuff you guys want to see. And then I want to bring you guys along on the journey here of moving from California to Alabama and getting a shop built and all of the different projects, whether it's something I know how to do or don't know how to do. I want you guys to come along with me and learn from my mistakes, laugh with me, laugh at me at sometimes, I'm sure. But I think it's going to be a really good transition to, kind of make everybody better at their trade. And something that I'm really passionate about is, keeping the trades alive. So that's what I want to do. I want to, help preserve as much of the hands-on skilled trade knowledge that I can, and the things that interest me revolving around that, and then, maybe we're going to throw in some more personal videos. I know you guys have been asking a lot about the dogs and how they're doing and stuff like that. So we're going to try to, incorporate them a little bit more and everything. But yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to come along with us, and hopefully you can be a part of it with me and kind of give me some guidance on what you guys would like to see as well. So yeah, don't forget to comment in the comments below, or go on to our Facebook and leave some comments, and anywhere that works for you guys. Just if you see this video, just kind of, shoot us some of your thoughts and what you think about the direction that we're going to be going with this channel. So anyways, thanks for watching today, guys. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say in the comments about what we talked about in this video. And make sure you stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot more videos coming up soon.